Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Alexa the Sub Coach. My name is Alexa and I'm so happy that you are here. I am an avid coffee drinker, especially black coffee. I went to Malone University in Canton, Ohio, and I studied health and physical education. And then I went on to get my master's degree in health and wellness education at American College of Education, or ACE. I have been a passionate softball coach. I've been a paraprofessional, a substitute teacher, and a health and physical education teacher. And now I get to stay home and help substitute teachers be confident in the classroom and be the most requested sub in their district. So whether you are new or you want to fine-tune your skills, this channel is the best place for you. Make sure that you subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you do not miss a video. I post on Tuesdays at 6 p.m. and Saturdays at 9 a.m. So let's get started. What you waiting for?